Top schools of the world are revolutionizing the education system. They are striving to create a wholesome and inclusive learning rather than just academic learning. Hi, I'm Roli Mathur, Director of Powers Within Self Development Academy. The mission of this academy is to help people in becoming capable by discovering the powers within themselves to enhance their fitness of mind, well being, happiness, and performance. To fulfill this mission, we designed a one of its kind program called Becoming Saksham in 2016. This has been extremely successful with students. Vision of Becoming Saksham program is to transform students into advanced versions having confidence, joy, discipline, vibrant personality and the next level of performance. At the same time, laying the foundation for a happier and peaceful world order where there is brotherhood of mankind, prevalence of higher values. All this can be achieved when children are taught to use the power of their mind to remove obstacles on their way to success and learn techniques to enhance their performance in all arenas. The Becoming Saksham program covers 10 precious modules which are the key for success. The program is engaging, full of fun activities, interactive, and simple tools for easy understanding. The students gain many skills. Learning outcomes are positive attitudes, mindfulness, self introspection, better values, self esteem, and ability for making better choices. The program is adapted for classes 3 to 8. The Becoming Saksham program has 3 levels with progressive level of advancement from being mindful to a higher performer and becoming super Saksham. Becoming Saksham has been testified as a great program for inner self development of students. Check out the many testimonials on our website BecomingSaksham.com. Connect with us to book for a free session for your students and your teachers. Don't miss out on this as it is a limited time offer. For more information, visit our website BecomingSaksham.com. Thank you.